Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are talking about a tool that is an absolute game changer for digital artists and game devs everywhere. We're diving into Aseprite.
You know, there's just something so cool about pixel art, isn't there? It's this awesome mix of nostalgia and pure creativity that lets you build, well, anything. Entire characters, huge scenes, whole universes, all from a simple grid of little squares. If you've ever felt that creative itch, then you are definitely in the right place. So you've got the idea, you've got that creative spark. How do you actually make it happen? Well, you're going to need the right tool for the job. So let's get you introduced to what might just become your new best friend in art.
And look, that is not just me saying it. The guide we're looking at today calls Aseprite one of the absolute top-tier tools for pixel art, period. It is a total powerhouse, and it was built from the ground up to do this one thing and do it exceptionally well.
Okay, so you might be thinking, hey, can't I just use something like Photoshop? And yeah, you could. But this is the key difference. A general editor like Photoshop is a jack of all trades, right? Aseprite, on the other hand, is a master of one. It has tools and a workflow designed specifically for pixel art and sprite animation. That means the whole process is just faster, it feels more natural, and honestly, it's way more fun.
And don't think for a second this is some exclusive tool just for the pros. The real magic of Aseprite is just how versatile it is. It doesn't matter if you're placing your very first pixel, if you're an artist who's been at it for a while and wants to level up, or if you're a seasoned expert making assets for a huge game, this tool is built to work for you. It's super accessible, but doesn't skimp on the power.
All right, so what actually makes it so powerful? Let's get into the features. The best way to think of these is like special abilities or power-ups that Aseprite gives you for your creative journey. Now, if animation is your thing, this is where it gets really, really cool. You get a real-time preview, so you can literally watch your creation come to life while you're working on it. It's got onion skinning, where you can see a little ghost of the last frame, which is absolutely crucial for making your motion smooth. And the level of control is just fantastic. You get a full timeline, you can tag and organize your frames, and then you can easily export the whole thing to GIFs or PNG sequences. It's the whole package.
And hey, even if you're not an animator, the power-ups for creating still images are just as awesome. You get these pixel-perfect strokes that stop you from getting those messy, blurry edges. There are amazing shading tools to really make your lighting pop, a tiled mode for creating seamless patterns. It even has this special rotation tool called Sprite that keeps everything looking sharp and crisp. Just fantastic stuff.
Okay, so let's say you're sold. You see the potential. The next question is pretty obvious, right? How do I get my hands on it? And what's the smartest way to do it? And here is an absolutely golden tip from our source material. You can buy it anytime, sure, but if you want to be smart about it, be a little patient. Wait for one of the big Steam sales, like the summer or winter sale. Your wallet will definitely thank you. So, what's the magic number we're looking for here? Well, the lowest recorded sale price was 15,370 Korean won. So just keep an eye out for a 25% discount. When you see that, that's your sign. That's the moment to grab this incredible tool for the best price you're going to get.
What if you're still not sure? Check this out. This is brilliant. You can actually use Steam's refund policy as a totally risk-free trial. Just buy the software, play around with it, try out all the features, and as long as you've used it for less than 2 hours, you can get a complete full refund if it's not your thing. There's literally no reason not to give it a shot.
And yeah, don't even worry about compatibility. Aseprite's got your back. Whether you're on Windows, a Mac, or a Linux machine, it's made to be available for as many creators as possible.
So, we've looked at the awesome features, how easy it is to get, and the smartest way to buy it. What's the final word on Aseprite? What's the big takeaway here?
I think this quote from a user review really just says it all. You can feel the excitement, can't you? Do not hesitate. I recommend you buy it. They talk about how easy it is to learn and just the incredible value you get for the price. This isn't just a good piece of software, it's a tool people genuinely love. And this, for me, might be the most important part of all. Aseprite is not a finished product that just sits there. The developer is super active, they actually listen to what the community says, and they're constantly pushing out updates. So when you buy Aseprite, you're investing in a tool that's going to grow and get better right along with you. So, when you boil it all down, what have we got? We've got one of the best pixel art tools on the planet. It's powerful, it's loved by its community, and it is easier than ever to get your hands on. The tool is ready. The only real question left is, what are you going to create?